What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back for another tech video. So in today's episode we are going to be comparing the GoPro Hero 7 and the GoPro Hero 5. So you might be asking, why are we comparing these two cameras? Well, personally I've had a GoPro Hero 5 now for a couple of years and was always wondering, is it really worth it to buy a new one? Is it actually any better? Because a lot of the specs are similar and all that kind of stuff. So today we're going to be looking at the technical aspects of it, taking a look at some footage from both to determine, is the Hero 7 that much better than the Hero 5? Before we get into today's video though guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel if you are new, I would really appreciate that. So just taking a look at both of these cameras, obviously they are very similar. The Hero 5 is just kind of a grayish color. The 7, it does say 7 here on the side and it is a black color. Besides that, they are pretty much the exact same camera. So exterior wise, no difference. But it's not about the exterior, it's about the interior. Now, the big reason why I switched to the GoPro Hero 7 was because of the Hypersmooth technology, aka image stabilization. And the Hero 5 isn't terrible, it has an electronic image stabilization, but the Hero 7 with the Hypersmooth was supposed to be on the next level. Now, we're not going to spend too much time on that in this video, but just take my word for it, the Hypersmooth is far superior than the old electronic image stabilization in the Hero 5. Just based on that alone, if that will do it for you, then it is definitely worth it to upgrade to at least a 7 Black in order to get that feature. A couple other differences with these cameras. The Hero 7 Black can now shoot 4K in 60 frames a second instead of 30 frames a second. So that's a pretty big deal. It's pretty cool because you can actually slow your footage down with 60 frames a second in 4K on the Hero 7. So if you shoot in 4K, that's a good feature to have. The Hero 7 also has what's called a hyperlapse feature, which is just a new time-lapse feature. I haven't really used that yet, but that is a feature that this one has that the Hero 5 does not have. It also has some different portrait modes. I don't personally use my GoPro for pictures at all because, well, I have a Canon camera behind me here, so I use that for all my photos. So I don't really know too much about the photos on these. The Hero 7 is supposed to take better photos. That I'm not sure of, but, well, I'm sure it does. The Hero 7, and last but not least that's important, is it also can shoot 240 frames per second on the Hero 7, where maximum frames per second on the Hero 5 was 120. Now the real important part of this video is to see if the two cameras are actually that much different in the real world shooting. So I went out to the beach the other day and I figured it would be a good time to kind of exploit these differences in these two cameras. So I did my best to put the two clips together and split them right down the middle to show you the differences between the Hero 5 and the Hero 7. I was using them both in the same settings. I was shooting at 2.7K at 60 frames per second on both cameras. So without further ado, let's get into that footage and then I will catch up with you guys here later. Do a little audio test on both. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black audio, and this is the Hero 5 Black audio. Well, there you have it, guys. As you can see, the Hero 7 is definitely a better picture. Not that the Hero 5 is bad, but you can clearly see the difference in the colors and clarity of the Hero 7 Black compared to the Hero 5. So, in my honest opinion, it is definitely worth it to upgrade to it. Especially, I was able to get this one on sale, I think for like $230 or something like that. So, it is a pretty good deal for an action camera. And don't forget, you still get the waterproof features on both, so you can still you know, take these swimming with you, and they're obviously easy to mount on all the various things where you would not normally be able to mount a DSLR or some other kind of camera. So guys, quick and short video, kind of right here to the point. Yes, the Hero 7 Black does seem to be a significant upgrade to the Hero 5. Now, I know the Hero 8 is also out. I did not buy that because I didn't see enough significant improvement over the Hero 7 Black. The same reason why I didn't bother buying a Hero 6. Yes, I guess they increased or made the Hypersmooth technology, the 2.0, a little bit better, but for me, the regular Hypersmooth was just good enough as it could be. I think if things get too smooth in certain scenarios, it makes the footage, to me at least, look a little bit fake. I don't know, that's just personal preference, but I'm sure with the Hero 9, they will come out with Hypersmooth like 3.0, and you'll basically just be able to like floating in space or something. I really don't know, guys, but that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, guys, if you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure to check out my other videos on the channel. If you are new, throw this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all in the next video.